dark. I'm crispy. So, anyways, made the move to Texas. I'm here. I got a bunch of stuff going on. If you're one of my friends, you already know that this truck, you already know about it. You already know whose it is. But if you don't know, then as far as you're concerned, it's mine. So I'll be working on this truck. I'll be doing a lot of stuff to it. It's essentially a lot of history that goes along in this truck. Long story with that. We'll probably, I may make a video and get into that a little bit later about the truck. But it's a 73 F100 long bed with a 351 Windsor in it right now. Painted, I think the color is magenta pearl, but it needs a paint job. So I hope you like this little video I put together in it, of it. And you're gonna see a lot more of this truck on the way. You're gonna see more likely a Crown Vic front end. Debating between Coyote or GT500 swap, but here it goes. Anyways, I hope you like the video, and let's get to it. Oh yeah, if you're new, my name's Lupe. Welcome, subscribe. All right, let's get back to it.